How's everybody doing? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to trade, but it's going to be very brief. So we have what we call in a stock market, when you trade, we got two things. Either you trade or you invest. You trade or you invest your money. So when you trade, you buy low and you sell high. For instance, the stock market can be open from the bottom here, is go up because the stock been going up and down every day. That's all it's been doing every day. Don't worry about it. Stock market do that every day from the time it's been open until it's closed. From the time it's been open from 9:30 to 4, that's all they've been doing, going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And sometimes it's going sideways like this, meaning it doesn't go that high. It's been stayed one place. It's going sideways. We call that sideways. So therefore, it's going sideways. That's the way. So the stock never been doing none, then going up and down and up, down. Now, as I've been told you, when you trade, for instance, when you trade, you can buy low. Let's say the stock is open at $100. And then you buy low. You always buy at the bottom. You don't buy at the top. You sell there at the top. But you buy low. You always buy low and sell high. That's the way you trade. Versus when you invest your money, you can buy for what you call long term. You buy long term. We call that investing. You buy for long term. You buy long term. Now, these are the difference when you trade versus when you invest. So therefore, you have to know how to trade. But in order for you to know how to trade, you got to know your short. You got to know how to short it. So if you don't know how to short, it's going to be very difficult for you to make profit, to make money in the stock market. So in order for you to know how to trade, you have to know how to short. For you to know how to short, you have to have a great platform on an app to use. You have to have a great platform. But one of the best platforms, so one of the best platform I can suggest you to have, we call it TradingView. TradingView is a great platform for you to trade. For people that really interested to trade, TradingView. So what I will do for you, I will put a link for you down there. I will put a link of TradingView under that video. You can click on it. You are gonna purchase it. You're gonna have 15% off when you buy the TradingView under my code. So I will put it for you so you don't have to pay the whole amount. It's gonna cost you very cheap. If you use my link, so therefore you use my link, it's going to cost you less money because you cannot trade without a good platform like use TradingView. I will show you in a couple of minutes what is a TradingView. I'm going to show you how to use TradingView. But for you to know how to use TradingView, I offer you a class also. This class is very cheap. In that class, we offer you how to trade. Um, showed you is an introduction about how to use trading view and also about candlestick, because you have to know how what is a candlestick mean. I'm gonna teach you all of that. Now, I will put the link, both link down there. The first one will be the trading view link, and I will put my class there. It's going to be very cheap. You can just click on the link and you take the class. It's very cheap. Now, trading view is very important for you to know how to trade. And in this class also, I teach you about how to trade and how to invest, because you cannot trade in if you don't know how to short. So I will put it there for you. And as I've been told you, the stock market has been doing the same thing every day. It's going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But when you buy, you always buy low and you sell high. You don't buy high and you sell low. No, you buy low and you sell high. And also, you don't chase the stock. That means you don't chase it. Whenever stock has already been going, if it's open low and if it's already been going high, you don't go after it. You don't chase it. You wait for it to come back, because as I've been told you, stock always going up and coming back down. So whatever is going up will come back down again. Whatever is going back down will come back up. And whatever is going up will come back down. So that's the way. So you don't have to chase it. You wait for it. If you miss it there, you wait for it to get there. Sometimes maybe go to half. You can buy it there and it's go higher sometimes. That's the way. But if you need to know everything like that, you need to take this class that I offer. Is very cheap. It just costs only $100. And I offer this class especially for you as my followers. Now, I'm going to show you something about the candlestick. In that class also, we teach you about how to use candlestick. So let me just see, I can show you something about candlestick. So what is a candlestick now? So I'm going to show you how to use candlestick. In this class, we offer that. So we teach you about those things. We call it candles. Those are the candles. Now, in candles, in that class, I teach you what all those candlesticks mean. When you see candles, you know what is mean. So, therefore, what is a candlestick pattern? Is just like a visual of representatives used in technical and describe price movement of an asset such as stocks, forex, and commodity. So it's give you price movement. Now, when you got candlestick or candles in a short, for instance, I told you start going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and you get all those candles. This represents a candle because I just make a line short, but I'm gonna show you in trading view what is a candlestick short. So, for instance, if you have a candle in the short, you can have many candles like that, going up, going up, going down. You can have different type of candles. But you know what? At the end of the day, you cannot do nothing with those candles if you don't know what to put there. If you don't combine them with your indicators, we have what we call indicators. I'm going to show you in trading view in my next share. I'm going to show you how to use these in trading view. But in order for you to do that, you have to take this class. In that class, I offer everything there. I teach you how to use candlestick, and I teach you how to use trading view and what to put there in your short, the indicators. This class is very cheap. You can take it for only $100. $100 cannot buy food, but with that $100, you can get great skill. It's very cheap. Just do that for me as my followers. It's very good for you. You're going to get good stuff. It's an introduction class. In that introduction class, I offer you how to use candlestick, what do they mean, the will, how to use it, what is movement, price movement. And I teach you also about indicators and also how to use trading view. Now, you see, all these candles, I teach you about it. So when you see candles, you don't know what is. You have those wick empty. You have this body. You have the wick, and then we have teach you also about the pin bar, all those candles. See, now when you see a pin bar candle, we call that pin bar candle. What does it mean? We have what you call bullish pin bar, and we have bearish pin bar. So remember, also I teach you the difference about bullish in this class. A bullish means when the stock is green or when the stock is going up. Whenever you see bullish, bullish means stock is going up, and bearish means stock going down. That's why we put a different color here. You can see red candle, you see a red one, and you see a green candles. So whenever we add the color, that means we differentiate them. Meaning green means start going high, that's bullish, means bullish, and bearish means start going down, which is red. Now, so we call that we call those two candles pimba. Is a pimba. We call it pimba candlestick. So we call it pimba. So what is a pimba? So that's mean we explain that in this class. We explain all those candles that you see that we explain them in the short. So in order for you to know how to trade, you have to know your candlestick. So that's why you have to take this class so you can understand what is a candle. Now, pin bar, for instance, we have this. That means we have an empty. You see, we call that wick. We call it wick. We call it W-I-C-K. So we call it wick. So therefore, we got this empty wick there. What happened is like people, the buyer just push the price up, is push it, and the price, the stock is closed, this back here is closed here. That's mean it's closed high. That's mean that's why we call it bullish. So the buyers just come and buy and push the price up. It's create a empty wick. It was like a full body, but since it was like a red body, but since the buyers come and buy and push the price up, and it's closed there. So, and then that's the lowest it goes, and then it's closed there. We call that highest or small wick. That's the highest wick it can go. And that's a closing price. As you can see, that's closed there. And this is the opening price. We call that opening price and closing price. That's why buyers push the price up and it closed there. We explain all those things in this class. And whereas similarly, we have the red, which is the bearish pin bar. So what happened now? The seller, after the buyers push the price up and the stock close high. Now, similarly, for the bearish pin bar, what happened now? The seller now is like a fight. We have a fight between the buyer and the seller. That's always a fight every day. That's why the stock market always going up and down. So when it's go down, that's mean the seller push the price down. When it's going up, that's mean the buyer push the price up. This is always the fight we have every day in the stock market. So it's going up, down, up, down, up. So it's a fight between buyers and seller. So meaning now, as I've been told you, the buyer just push the price up and it's closed there. So now in the red pin bar, what's happened? That's why we got a long wick tail. We call that long wick tail. We call it a long wick tail. So what happened there? So therefore, now the seller just come and fight. Seller just push down the price down after the buyers just push it up. So the seller come up and fight back again. It's push the price back down. So when it push the price back down, it's form what you call a small body. And now the price is closed down here. So we call that is closed down here. See, this is what happened. Now seller push the price all the way down here. So that means now it's closed there. That's why we been offer you in this class. We explain everything step by step about all those candles. The same way I explain you about this pin bar, we explain you all those candles in this class. So I will put the link down there so you can get the class. Now, The last thing I'm going to show you before I show you the trading view platform, this is the way it will present in a chart. Remember, I just showed you about a line chart. A line chart is always do like I just told you, start going up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So we call that line chart. That's a line chart. Most of the time, people use line chart or candlestick chart, but 80% people use candlestick chart. That's why I took my time to explain you, create that class to explain you step by step how to use chart. All those candlestick is very cheap, this class. So the line chart is always like that. The reason most people are using candlesticks because it give you all those price action. So therefore you can understand when the stock is going to be going up and down is better. So that's why I offer this class. Now, the same days you see the same pimba there. We call it bearish pimba. You remember that I just told you about the bearish pimba, this bearish one, and the bullish pimba. In a short, you see the difference now. In a short, it's come there. So whenever you see the empty pin bar upside down, that's mean pushing the price down, that's mean stock is about to go down. And you see that here in the short. Whenever you see this pin bar, look that pin bar here, that way, that's mean after a series of going up, when you see the pin bar, meaning stock gonna go down. That's why the pin bar showed you empty body here. You see the empty body, seller push the price because after this, the price is going up with the full candle here. So seller just come up and fight back, push, create an empty wick, push the price down, and we have a small body there. And thereafter is going down. Stock is moving down. So we have, that's the difference between a bearish pin bar and a bullish pin bar. See, all those are bearish pin bar. Bearish pin bar. You have another bearish pin bar here after a series of stock going up, and you create that bearish pin bar. Empty body, you see, empty body, and empty wick. We see the wick, and now we have the small body and moving the price down, stock going down. And now you're gonna see another thing about the pin bar, the bullish pin bar here, another bullish pin bar here. So you know when you got a bullish pin bar, which is this one. So when you see a bullish pin bar like empty wick and buyers push the price up, we have the next step, start gonna go up. And that's why we see here the pin bar there, empty wick, because buyers come and push the price up and it's come up here. And then now see the stock moving up. That's the way. And then thereafter now buyers seller come back here. That's create the bearish pin bar and start going down. That's why you see, and I've been told you, start doing the same thing every day, going up, down, up. And we have always the fight between bullish, which is the bear, and bull. We have always the fight between the bull and the bear, which is the bullish and the bearish. The bear, which is bullish, the bull, which is bullish, the bear, which is bearish. So we always have a fight between buyers and seller. So that's why we see here, after we see the bullish pin bar start going up, and now thereafter we got the bearish now come up here, seller push the price down. Again, you're gonna see now another candles from here and push the price up, and now price going down, and now we have another candles push the price and start going up, and we have here another bearish pin bar just form again here, and now it's not gonna go down. So that's the way we talk it up. And we have this thing when you see here, we teach you also about resistance and support. Whenever you see support, that's means stock, you buy at, that's why I told you, you always buy at the bottom. You buy there. See, when you buy there at the support in the bullish pin bar and start gonna go, and then you sell at the bearish pin bar at the resistance and start gonna go down. So we teach you everything in this class, how to use this candlestick. So I create this class for you, especially for my TikTok people. So therefore I teach you now. Just click on the link down there. I put the link in this class so you can know how to use your candlestick and what do they mean. And I teach you also about what trading view, and I'm gonna show you what is a trading view, so what you can do with it, how to use it. And let me see if I can share it to you. If I have a trading view there, let me just go there and share the trading view for you. Now, so this is what we call a trading view now. Trading view is the way you use it. That's why we call it short. In a short of trading view, that's the way it's been working every day. In the trading view, what you do, I teach you how to use all those tools. That's one of the best apps or platform that you can have to use. Use Trading View. In Trading View, we got all those tools back there, and I'll teach you how to add them. As you can see this, you can add them as your favorite. And then you use all those tools. I'll teach you how to use them in a shot. For instance, if you need to use this one, you want to use it, you just squeeze it. I just put this as a favorite. You can remove it. If you want to add it, it's going to come back there. You just click on it, you add it. That's what we call that Fibonacci. I teach you all those things. For instance, in the Fibonacci, if you have all those things here, you can remove it. For instance, I teach you how to remove everything. You remove it. Now you have a blank chart with only candlestick. As you can see, those are the candlestick. You got all those there with only a blank candlestick. Now, if you want to add them, what you do, you just add any. For instance, if you need to add your horizontal line, you click there, and I just add my line. And I want to add another line. We call that's a resistance line. You want to add a super line, I click there, and I can switch with different color there, and I put this color there. If I want to put another color, I can just switch and add a color. I'll teach you that in Trading View in this class, how to use Trading View. Anything, and then I can inactivate it back there. And now if I want to add my Fibonacci, I just click there. Since it's already been there, I don't have to go back here, because that's why I add them as my favorite. I can click there and put my line there, as we call that retracement Fibonacci. We call that level. Each of them is a level. We call that a level price. They represent support and resistance. All this on that's level of the price. I teach you everything, and also if I want to remove everything, I just click that and remove it. For instance, if I need to add any text, I teach you all this. That you just add your text there. You can type. For instance, you say, you can add the text. I will sell once it gets to that level. And you can always add a line if you want to. So you can put the price. So you see, when you get there, when the stock is moving, for instance, I put my brush. If this price moving there, and I will sell it. So I teach you all of those in this class. If you need to know more about it, just take this class. I put the links on this course with $100. As I told you, with $100 now, you cannot buy food. Things are so expensive. But with $100, you can get skill. So skill, what it does for you, you go anywhere with your skill. You can have money, you can lose your money. But when you have skill, you can still making money. That's why I took my time to give you this class for so low. It's a discount, but just you got to worry up. The discount will be over sooner. It's for you, my followers. Just take your time, and I will put two links. I will put the link of Trading View for you there, so you can buy Trading View at a low price, $15 discount, and also don't miss it. Take this class. I already got too many students, but you can take it. And times is over, almost over. Times is sensible, so you got to take it because it's a discount with a limit price. I will put the link. So that's all I've been teaching you. In this class, you know about Candlestick and also how to use Trading View, and I give you introduction. And thereafter, I will put another class for you. That's a great class to know how to buy and sell in the stock market. So, my friend, it was for you, especially my followers. This is Harry. Thank you, and see you next time. We're gonna keep in touch. Bye-bye, and take care. See you. Bye.